This is the final test fitting of the car. Everything lines up perfectly, and now we're ready to spot weld. It is imperative that the trunk hinge brackets line up well before we start welding. If these things are off by a smidgen, then the deck lid will not fit well. That's why we test fit over and over again to make sure that all these things line up.
Watch it. Okay.
Woo! Been touching, so it made a hole. 3, 2, 1. 2, go. After spot welding the trunk hinge brackets, we'll begin working on the trunk floor. Start right there. We need to put them on, bro, before we put the floors. So these we're gonna be able to spot weld, I think. And then you have to go over there. So we should be able to spot weld them all. Go. Here, go. Oh. That's good.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Ooh. Damn, what? That was so tight.
Dude, you're the one that put it on that tight. Dude, we're ready, man. Let's go lay it over there and before we spot weld the trunk floor, we will need to spot weld the rear cross member to the frame of the car. There we go. All right, let's do this side, Caesar. Now that we got that done, we can begin spot welding the trunk floor to the frame. Three, two, one, fire in the hole. Oh, my neck. face. Go. Go. Sucker got me.
Oh!
All right, we're good.
That's it?
That's it. Now we can finally spot weld the trunk floor to the wheelhouse, and we can move towards the front of the car.
Hey, don't fill my butt crack with it.
It just came out. Broken lens. Nate's trying to erase it. Boom, and then we'll come this way. Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh no, that's good. That's good. Go. Yes.
Oh, no.
Go.
There you go.
Put it right there. It's gonna get to that one and to that one. Right there.
Oh.
Go.
Run the hole.
Ready?
Watch out.
Go. No, we're good. Go.
All right.
Go. Today, we're gonna plug weld the rear floor to the frame rails. You know, we have a spot welder, but we don't have an arm long enough to reach this part of the car.
Watch your head, bro. Whoa. ¿Qué pasé o qué? Damn. Oh, no.
Did you get that?
Este vato. Damn. Sure they have a washer, bro.
Plug welding is a viable alternative. Essentially, this process fuses two metals together by making a weld inside small holes. Okay. Today we're back with the spot welder and we'll be working on attaching the front floor to the firewall.
All of them, bro?
All of them. Leave that floor flush, man. This is very important because it pretty much ties the whole car together. Yeah, right there. There you go. You got it. After we've spot welded the floor to the firewall, we need to spot weld the floor pan supports to the main floor.
Ready?
Yeah. There you go. There you go.
Damn.
You okay?
Yeah.
You didn't set it right.
Right there. Right there. Go.
Ah. Dang. There you go.
Go.
Damn. Woo. Oh, made a hole, bro. What? You made a hole.
What'd you do, Caesar?
Nah, it's good.
Dude, that thing's strong, dude.
Okay, put it in medium.
How could it have made a hole?
It didn't make a hole. Oh, it didn't make it up here.
It made a hole down here.
We'll fix it.
Oh, I can see through, Caesar. What'd you do?
You have it on high or what?
Yes, but we had it on high over there.
Can you put one there, Caesar?
It's because it was high 375.
That's what I had over there.
Really? I can't really see it, bro. So.
I'm good here. Go.
How about-
There we go.
Ah.
I did.
Damn.
Woo! Oh!
You good? Oh no.
Go. Close your eyes. That's it.
All right, bro. You got it?
Yeah, we got it. Loosen it.
Get it right here. Wait, hold up.
Turn it up. I got it.
Sorry. Ready?
Watch your head.
Oh, hell no. Get it in.